This is how we turn $50 into a $50,000 product.
And how you can turn this free video right here that you're watching into $10,000 every single month. Cash. No strings attached, no cost.
Nice. This is what your favorite streamers and your favorite YouTubers are doing. Most of your well-known YouTube wealth coaches, this is what they're doing. But no one is talking about this on YouTube. But we're here to spill the tea.
Get over here. Let's talk some shit. Yes.
I want to show you how people like Brittany, Spencer, and all these people that are inside our program are able to print consistent income, 10, 20, 30, 40, even $5,000 every single month.
But right here, we're going to give it out for free.
Yes. So we are combining all our years of experience and even the experience of your favorite influencers into this one video and giving you all the sauce for free.
So now a lot of people are making money from digital products. Now this is exactly what people are doing. They have faceless accounts that are promoting digital products for them. Your favorite YouTubers to Kai Cenat, to Iman Gachi, your favorite wealth coaches, this is actually what they're doing.
This shit is getting hot.
They even pay people to do these things for them.
Really?
I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself.
We're not saying this is going to work for you. There's no way it's going to work for everybody. I can't vouch for your work ethic, or I can't vouch for the fact that you will actually take what we're saying seriously. So the best that I and Joseph can do is basically just tell you and hope that you listen.
Look, we don't have much time here on YouTube, but we have a free downloadable link that you can go to and get this free playbook for free and get a full video in-depth explanation on how this can actually work. It's 2025. A lot of us have a lot of money goals. We need to crack on those things right now before it's too late. 2025 is the year of faceless content. Instagram, you've probably seen videos like this and see a lot of our students like Spencer, Brittany. These are the results they're able to make and print in 5 figures. This is a 16-year-old kid who's been able to make 4 figures in the first week of joining our program. We're about to get every single thing completely free. Get the downloadable playbook guide down below and let's get started.
So I hope you take action. Click the link below and let's start.
See you there.